Down in the south central town of San Marcos, down where our water pipes freeze all around. Now we are stuck in our icicle castles, waiting and hoping for snow to melt down. Night after night we sit in the darkness, waiting for lights to come on. Heating so over our kerosene camp stoves, thinking of Cancun and New Mexico. San Marcos River, 72 degrees, year round. Bill, is my bathwater melted?